Welcome to Overcoming Limiting Beliefs for a Great Retirement. Are you ready to transform your mindset and create the retirement you've always dreamed of? Join us as we embark on a 7-day journaling journey designed to challenge your limiting beliefs and empower you to live your best retirement life. Negative thoughts about your age, finances, or abilities can keep you from enjoying your retirement. But there's hope. Journaling is a powerful tool for transformation that can help you challenge and overcome these limiting beliefs. Over the next 7 days, we'll guide you through a structured journaling process that will help you identify and reframe your limiting beliefs. On day 1, we'll start by identifying the negative beliefs that may be holding you back. Ask yourself, what are my fears or doubts about retirement? Be honest and bring them all to the surface. On day 3, we'll reframe your limiting beliefs into empowering statements that reflect a positive outlook on your retirement. Imagine your ideal retirement without any constraints and write about it in your journal. Break down your ideal retirement into smaller, achievable goals. On days 6 and 7, we'll focus on affirming your new beliefs and reflecting on your progress. Take time to reflect on your week of journaling. Notice any changes in your thoughts and beliefs. I struggled with limiting beliefs about retirement until I embraced journaling. It helped me challenge my assumptions and create the fulfilling retirement I have today. Journaling is a catalyst for change. Let's transform your mindset together. Join me on this incredible journey of self-discovery and growth. Give the 7-day journaling routine a try. It could be the key to unlocking your retirement potential. Share your experiences and challenges with me. Let's learn from each other. Shape your retirement into the extraordinary life you deserve. Journaling can help you challenge and overcome limiting beliefs for a great retirement. Follow the link to download your free Overcoming Limiting Beliefs worksheet.